Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. I'm Kok Kee from Tech, and today we'll be taking a look at the HyperX Alloy FPS Pro. So this keyboard is a mechanical keyboard, of course. It's from HyperX Alloy FPS Pro logo right at the top here, and it is using the Cherry MX red switch. It comes in Cherry MX browns and blues too if you choose to use those, but the one I have is in red, so we'll just go with red. A quick look at the back here. As you can see, there are 4 main feature highlights, and at the bottom here there's actually a free 2-year technical support, and you can just visit hyperxgaming.com/wa to access it. And here's a very quick unboxing. So we just slice open the stickers, open the box, and the first thing that caught my eye is that little welcome note. I find it really nice that HyperX actually included that. And this big piece of paper is actually a user manual. I find it, again, very unique design, and well, I kinda like it actually. The whole unboxing experience has been great so far. So looking underneath the whole box itself is actually some sort of a notice. We're not gonna care about that actually. Opening the top compartment here reveals the mini USB cable. As you can see right here, this cable is actually nylon braided in black and red accents, so I find it really, again, with the gamer aesthetic right here, and it's reinforced quite heavily, and we'll show it to you later. So that's all for the whole unboxing, and now let's take a look at the keyboard itself. So the keyboard comes wrapped in this piece of plastic bag right here. So we'll just unwrap it real quick and release the keyboard. So the keyboard itself is fairly nicely designed, I would say. It's very minimalist in terms of all the aesthetics right there. And the whole footprint is very minimal. Keycaps, it comes with an ABS set of keycaps, and the legends are really readable and standard layout all throughout, so you can swap for whatever keycaps you want very easily. Special little spacebar button there too. And at the top right corner there is where the mini USB port is found. One interesting thing is that you can see that there are some parts of the plug itself that goes into the cable that is for reinforcement, and I am very glad that HyperX actually did it. And you can see here how thin the entire Alloy FPS Pro is, which I really like somehow, because most of the mechanical keyboards come in a very thick body, and this one is very thin. Also, the Cherry MX switch that they use is the classic ones, as it has the black enclosure, and the red LEDs are actually the IP LEDs. So I find it really comfortable to type, and raising the feet behind there does raise the keyboard just a little bit, enough to make a difference, and I really like it. So let's just go through some of the brightness levels right here. You have a total of 4 different levels and off, and there are a total of 6 different lighting modes, as you can see right here. One thing I did realize is that this keyboard cannot set custom time lengths for each color modes. So for example, if you want the wave to move faster, you cannot do that, or even directions for that matter, but I don't really care. I don't really use those features, but if you're into those things, you should take note. And by the way, you do have this little FN plus F12 button, which activates game mode and disables the left hand side Windows key. So that's our review of the HyperX Alloy FPS Pro. I hope you like this video, and do visit our full review with the link down in the description below where we'll go in depth of some more things. And thanks for watching everyone. It's Amnasil Mark and have a nice day.